What's up, peeps? It's your girl Nay, and we're back with another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I apply strip lashes. This is mainly like beginner style. I mean, I don't know if there's like a professional way of putting on eyelashes, but this is just how I put on my eyelashes, and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case some people out there are curious about how to do lashes. So I'm going to be definitely giving you guys some tips and pointers about how I put on strip lashes and also where I get my lashes from. Now, before we get started, I just want to share the lash. So this right here is from, what's that website called? Shop Miss A. I'm so sorry, BH Cosmetics. This is their false lash Studio Pro, and I have this in the color M201. So yeah, in the style M201, and it's just false lashes. It's not mink, it's just regular false lashes. And the items that I use to do my eyelashes are the super hair bond glue from the dollar store or the beauty supply store, wherever that you go. And I also add some eyeliner. This is just eyeliner that I got from shopmissa.com. So I just have this eyeliner. It's like a 2-in-1 duo. It's eyeliner, and this is the eyeliner part, and this is the mascara part. So I just put this on top of, like, to line my eyelashes after I put them on, to kind of blend in with my actual eyelashes. My Color Mates Curved Brush Mascara that I also got from, I think, Shop Miss A or LA Colors. I'm not sure where I got this from. And I use two types of tweezers. So I use one that's a little wider, and then I use this little small one. I don't know why, I just like using two of them. So yeah, these are the products that I'm going to be using to put on my lashes. I only have one earring in. It's all good. And my eyebrows look ridiculous. I did not line them. I did not like clean them up. I just lined them. Anyways, whatever. Let's get into this video. So first things first, I'm going to use my Color Mates mascara to basically brush out my natural eyelashes. Next, I'm going to take my eyelashes out of the box. This is what they look like outside of the box. So pretty. Now I'm just going to use my wider one to grab hold of the eyelash. Like this. Typically I use two of these because it's really thin, as you can see, but it helps to give you the illusion of your natural eyelashes when they are this thin. So it's kind of good in a way, but for it to look a little more full, I usually double these, but I only had one, so that's why I'm just using one right now. Another trick that I've learned to actually making it look like your eyelashes is to actually have to place it on top of your eyelash. So like instead of having it on the skin, which I've seen some people do, I put it directly on my eyelashes, so it looks a little bit more natural. Now I'm just gonna go ahead with the eyeliner and just line my eyelashes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, get in my whip, shawty, we gon' ride. Yeah, be the real go get it in your life. Yeah, turn it up, girl, it's a vibe. I'm the one, believe the hype. Yeah, slow down, speed up, accelerate, down the interstate. Yeah, roll up, drink that, get it back, let's get it late. Yeah.
I fuck when you're mental, it's me that you're into. You pulled around and said this not a rental. Shut up, get in, boy. Looked at you crazy, I'ma get in though. Passenger never felt this good. Pulled up to your favorite corner store. Oh, so I'm guessing it's your hood. Looked and asked me, can I roll a wood? Coming crazy, yeah, I roll the wood. Staring at me like you want some, but you say you wish a nigga would. Trying to make memories history. What more could she do for me? Breaking banks as the usually. Carry on, cause we hide from tree. Get in my way, baby, we gon' ride. Need a real goal, got it in your life. Turn it up, boy, you survive. I'm the one, believe the hype. Slow down, speed up, accelerate, down the interstate. Yeah, roll up, drink that, get it back, let's get it back.
She like that song by Fabulous that I'm so into, yeah. Let's get down to business, baby girl. Like your job interview. I just hit a
So that's it for this video. That's how I put on my strip lashes. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, leave a comment in the leave a comment below in the description box. Leave a comment below. And if you want further videos like this, more of my personal makeup tips. I don't want to make it general because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not trying to tell you guys how to do makeup or teach you guys how to do makeup or anything like that. I'm just showing you how I do my makeup, hair, skincare, like all of that stuff. It's more of a personal thing. This is just what I do to myself. It helps me. It works for me. So if it ends up helping you guys and working for you guys, I'll definitely like to know that. Follow me on Instagram at Nayna_KTA. That's also in the description box. Follow me on Snapchat at UniquelyWeird. Also in the description box. All the information will be in the description box. Where I got these lashes will be in the description box and all of that information. If you guys are interested in this necklace, that will also be in the description box. I'm just putting you guys on to a whole lot right now. I'm telling y'all where y'all can get everything. Like, I'm just putting it all out there. But yeah, so that's it for this video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks, guys. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning into this video. If you liked, one second. And that's it for this video. If you guys